Cell division, mitosis and meiosis. Cell division is a fundamental process in all living organisms, ensuring growth, repair, reproduction, and genetic continuity. There are two main types of cell division: mitosis, which occurs in somatic body cells, and meiosis, which takes place in reproductive cells, gametes. Mitosis, the process of somatic cell division. Mitosis is the process by which a single cell divides to produce two identical daughter cells, each containing the same number of chromosomes as the parent cell. This type of division is crucial for growth, tissue repair, and asexual reproduction in unicellular organisms. Key features of mitosis: type of cells, somatic body cells. Chromosome number, diploid, 2n to 2n. Number of daughter cells, 2. Genetic variation, no variation. Daughter cells are identical to the parent cell. Phases of mitosis. Mitosis consists of four main phases. 1. Prophase. Chromatin condenses into visible chromosomes, each consisting of two sister chromatids. The nuclear membrane starts breaking down. The centrosomes move to opposite poles, forming the mitotic spindle, made of microtubules. 2. Metaphase. Chromosomes line up at the equatorial plane, metaphase plate. Spindle fibers attach to the centromeres of the chromosomes. 3. Anaphase. The sister chromatids are pulled apart toward opposite poles by the spindle fibers. Each chromatid now becomes an independent chromosome. 4. Telophase. Chromosomes decondense back into chromatin. The nuclear membrane reforms around each set of chromosomes. The spindle fibers disassemble. Cytokinesis, division of cytoplasm. In animal cells, a cleavage furrow forms, pinching the cell into two. In plant cells, a cell plate forms, eventually developing into a new cell wall. Importance of mitosis: ensures growth and development of multicellular organisms. Helps in tissue repair and healing. Maintains genetic stability by producing identical cells. Meiosis, the process of gamete formation. Meiosis is a specialized type of cell division that occurs in reproductive cells, sperm and egg, leading to the formation of gametes, haploid cells. Unlike mitosis, meiosis reduces the chromosome number by half, ensuring that when fertilization occurs, the offspring has the correct number of chromosomes. Key features of meiosis: type of cells, germ cells, sperm and egg. Chromosome number, diploid to haploid, 2n to n. Number of daughter cells, 4. Genetic variation. Introduces variation due to crossing over and independent assortment. Phases of meiosis. Meiosis occurs in two successive divisions: meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1, reductional division, reduces the chromosome number by half. Meiosis 2, equational division. This division is similar to mitosis, but occurs in the two haploid cells formed in meiosis 1. 1. Prophase 1. Chromosomes condense, and homologous chromosomes, one from each parent, pair up to form tetrads. Crossing over, genetic recombination, occurs, increasing genetic diversity. Nuclear membrane dissolves, and spindle fibers form. 2. Metaphase 1. Homologous chromosome pairs line up along the metaphase plate. Spindle fibers attach to centromeres. 3. Anaphase 1. Homologous chromosomes are pulled apart to opposite poles, but sister chromatids remain together. 4. Telophase 1 and cytokinesis. Two haploid cells are formed, each having half the chromosome number. Meiosis 2, equational division. 1. Prophase 2. Chromosomes condense, and spindle fibers form again. 2. Metaphase 2. Chromosomes align along the metaphase plate. 3. Anaphase 2. Sister chromatids are separated and pulled to opposite poles. 4. Telophase 2 and cytokinesis. 4 haploid and daughter cells are formed, each genetically unique. Importance of meiosis. Maintains chromosome number across generations by having it in gametes. Introduces genetic variation through crossing over and independent assortment. Enables sexual reproduction, leading to evolution and adaptation. Comparison between mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis-meiosis. Number of divisions, mitosis, 1 meiosis 2. Number of daughter cells, mitosis, 2 meiosis 4. Chromosome number mitosis diploid, 2n. To diploid, 2n, meiosis diploid, 2n, to haploid, n. Genetic variation, mitosis, no meiosis yes, due to crossing over and independent assortment. Location mitosis, somatic cells, meiosis, germ cells, sperm and egg. Function mitosis, growth, repair, asexual reproduction, meiosis, sexual reproduction. Visual representation of mitosis. Visual representation of meiosis. Conclusion. Mitosis and meiosis are essential processes in biology. Mitosis allows organisms to grow and repair damaged tissues, while meiosis ensures genetic diversity and the continuation of species. Understanding these two types of cell division is crucial in genetics, medicine, and reproductive biology.